Need to optimize your usable space? With competitive designs matching to international standards. Introducing Donracks, optimal solution provider for industries and warehouses. Passionate to fulfill your storage needs. Linear and approachable top management. Clear vision to be in this space with hands-on decision-making. Customized to achieve client satisfaction. Through a young, dynamic team on a mission to create competitive usable spaces. We have a state-of-the-art R&D department with advanced structural calculation software and personalized management tool, which has helped in completing a number of huge projects over the years. High-end machinery with fully automated processes like robotic welding, roll-forming lines, 7-tank hot zinc phosphating, automated powder coating, and final quality inspection processes help us to provide a certified quality of international standard heavy-duty racks. Our diverse team are very passionate and flexible for working towards fulfilling your storage needs. We create compact usable spaces to accelerate business growth with a variety of storage solutions. Segments we deal with are manufacturing, pharmaceutical, e-commerce, cold chains, FMCG and retail, records storage, electronics, and many more. We are present in Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai and Cochin, and have executed projects in more than 1,000 locations pan-India. Have a glimpse of some of our most valuable patrons. Backed by years of experience and excellence, the key to optimal utilization of your space lies with Donracks Storage Solutions.